talking to you.
I love you so much.
Oh.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, for all the...
Lisa. Oh my, you can't use that.
I left it for you. Okay, no chocolate for you. Okay, that's enough pineapple for you. You ready?
And watch as Lisa disappears. Ta-da! And crown you Queen of the Ween.
Really?
Say, thank you. You look adorable, don't I?
Who's the boss of the kitchen? If you open this one more time, you are out of the kitchen. You're not gonna cut yet. We're gonna listen to directions first.
Thanks for helping out. You've been a big help today.
Thank you, Queen.
You're welcome.
She was flipping great help today. Can we just clean the crumbs up before we continue? She's very messy. Why can't we just take 1 second and tidy?
Have you never been in Lisa's kitchen before?
Get out of my kitchen.